are going to Penang.
Yeah! On day 1.
Yeah, this is day 1. We're going to Penang.
Road trip.
This is a road trip, pandai. How many hours to Penang?
6.
Yes, pandai.
6.
Yes, pandai. So now we are at Perdas. Still only 10 kilometers from home. 10 kilometers only. We have another 400 kilometers to go, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Doing here.
We are going to the hotel.
So where are we now?
Noah!
Senawa.
No comment.
Cecep, where are we, Cecep? Where are we? Where are we? Kita nak buat apa kat sini? What do you want to do? Nak work? Oh, bukan nak eat?
Apa?
Okay. Kita nak buat apa kat sini kan?
Makan.
Makan, nak makan apa? Ha?
Nasi ayam.
Nasi ayam, nasi ayam.
Ayam.
Nasi ayam sedap ke nasi ayam?
Sedap. Papa Ami.
Together, abang yang dengar together. No.
Chicken nasi.
Okay. Okay, Aisyah nak cakap apa?
Asyik.
Makan asyik. Lauk apa?
Nasi ayam.
Nasi ayam, pandai. Ya, abang yang dengar together. Abang yang dengar together. Now we are on the way to Penang. We are after Seremban, kan?
Oh,
Yeah. So where are we going?
To the hotel.
To the hotel. Menang lah. Menang lah, tak nampak lah. Kita nak pergi mana?
Hotel.
Seronok tak?
Seronok.
Yeah. So nanti we are going to arrive in another 6 hours, kan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good luck. Good luck. Wow.
Abang, boy, kita sekarang dekat mana?
Kita the hotel.
Yes. Kita dekat Kuala Selangor.
Yang dia nak tidur.
Assalamualaikum. Kita kat mana? Kita kat mana?
Dekat masjid.
Dekat Hulu. Dekat Kuala Selangor. Kita buat apa? Kita nak pergi mana ni? Kita nak pergi hotel. Hotel. Jauh lagi tak? Lagi 300 km. 300 km to go.
Oh man.
Yes.
Oh man.
We are now in Perak. Kita kat mana? Perak.
Let's go Perak.
Perak. Kita nak buat apa ni? Kita nak pergi mana?
Hotel.
Nak pergi hotel. Okay, lagi 3 hours kita sampai kan? Yes. Adik. Mama.
Kat lampu.
Angkat sudah gelap saya.
Ayah.
Kita sekarang dekat atas highway West Coast Expressway.
We almost there.
Angkat duduk bagi dapat abang dengan abang sekali. Angkat duduk. Sidang. Sidang.
Kita ke highway.
Mana abang tak nampak abang pun?
Over here.
Seronok tak? Do you like it?
Oh my god.
Ha?
I like it because
You love going jalan-jalan?
yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
We're on a toll bridge. Let's go.
Oh my god, that's super tall and huge.
Yes. We are going on. Wow.
It looks like a shop.
We can see the village over here.
So high. I saw it.
Yeah, you can see the village. There's another bridge in front. That's taller. That one goes over the river.
Let me see the river. Let's see the river.
You can see the river at the left side.
Straight or left?
Left. You can
Look
look.
at this, Paul. Look at this.
Yes.
Look at this.
Okay.
Oh, I
This
saw-
is the Perak River.
I saw.
Sungai Perak.
What did you see that?
Yeah, look at the river. Cantik.
Whoa, huge.
Cantik.
That's huge.
the heavy rain. Look. In 3, 2, 1. Yes, heavy rain.
Oh my god.
So we have to slow down, okay? It's a heavy rain. Masya Allah. Do you like rain? So we have to slow down now. Kan? Because it's heavy. It's raining heavily, kan?
When you go to the flip.
Yes, it's dangerous.
Yes.
Mana Aboy? Sebab tak nampak Aboy pun.
Right here.
Aboy, look at the camera.
Oh my god.
Look at the camera.
What the accident? The car is crashed. Then very brave pen.
Kita sekarang lalu dekat Bota kiri, Bota. Nak kat tepi nampak sawah padi. You can see the rice fields over there on the left side and on the right side. And it's still raining heavily.
Okay, now.
We are 56 kilometers to Georgetown, to Penang. So we just gone through an accident, kan? So now where are we going?
Go to the
Talk to
gun.
the camera. Mana awak tak nampak ni? Gelap ni. Talk to the
Sini.
camera.
Bukan lampu dah.
Buka lampu lah. Baru nampak.
Go to hotel. We
Nak
go
pergi
to
hotel. Okey. Awak semua okey tak dekat dalam kereta?
Okey.
Okey. Tadi gaduh-gaduh tak?
Ada.
Tak ada. Tiba-tiba tak ada Semua tenang lah. Everything is calm, everything is okay?
Yep.
Okay. Adik, everything okay? Adik, ada respon? Adik kena tepuk adik.
Bye.
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye. Bye.
We are now on the Penang Bridge.
Yay.
If you look left, that's the sea.
Cannot see.
You cannot see lah because it's night. But you saw it?
Yeah.
You see the sea?
Do you see the light over there? It's another
We
bridge.
are on the Penang Bridge.
This one
Yeah.
is the bridge number 1. You see the light over there, the far away there?
Yeah.
It's a bridge number 2.
Let's still look.
Agak nampak tak bridge ni?
Yeah. A little dog.
Just show bridge that way.
Pandai. Mana bridge nya? Show papa, mana bridge nya?
I saw the
Mana
little.
kan?
He's not.
Kat sana kan nampak tak?
I just saw. But what is this thing? What is this thing? This thing is Okay, Baba, how many minutes?
20 minutes.
Okay, 20.
So we are now on the Penang Bridge. Another 19 minutes to go to the hotel. Yay! Yay! In Penang! Yay! We are in Penang! Penang, 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 Penang. Okay, dah. This is day 2. We are in... Where are we? We are in Penang Island. Yes. Kita nak pergi mana ni? Makan. Yes. Awak nak makan apa? Nasi ayam. Yeay. Pergi Penang makan nasi ayam. Duk Rembang makan nasi ayam.
There's a bunch of
Yeah.
towers.
Makanan kebangsaan.
There's a bunch of towers.
Makanan kebangsaan. Ni budak ni.
It's difficult.
Dan ni.
It's too difficult for the restaurant.
Yes. It's too difficult. Kita kat mana ni? Island Hospital. Nak muka mama sikit. Tengok muka mama sikit. Nak mata je.
There's a huge tower.
Yes.
There's a bigger one.
Yes. Abang buat apa?
New cars. ICT and Tesla.
Angah nak makan apa?
Nasi ayam.
Nasi ayam adik. Duk Rembang makan nasi ayam. Penang makan nasi ayam kan?
Kan?
Ya, sedap betul nasi ayam ni
Subscribe boleh makan nasi ayam.
Subscribe boleh makan nasi ayam. Kau tak okey?
Don't forget.
Kat mana? Where are we?
We're at Penang. Penang.
Abang Syed, abang kita nak pergi mana ni?
Penang.
Penang, bukan Pilang. Oh, Abang Syed, slow down. Wait for mama. Pegang tangan, pegang tangan, pegang. Dangerous, adakah? Dangerous, adakah?
Aku ya, Bob.
Angah. Going to eat at, apa ni? What is this? This is Kompleks Medan Renong. Mama sudah membawa bola sah? Yeah, okay. We have birds. Hello, birds. Is the same like in rumah? Yes. Gantung situ. Boleh? Ya. Jalan Padang Kota. Sama. Kita dekat food court. Kita makan pasembok. Laksa utara. Cucuk makan cucuk. Abang punya mi goreng tak sampai lagi, bye.
Look at the pigeon. Look at the pigeon, guys.
Pigeon ah, pigeon. Oh, pigeon. Hello, pigeon. Pasembok, pasembok. Air fresh orek, air buah, air carrot. Carrot pula, air teh ais. Sedap kan?
Yep, what is that?
Yeah. We are now at the butterfly place. Where is this?
This is the boy. This is from the insect guy.
Oops, sorry. Okay. Jom, jom.
Papa, there you.
Yes. Okay, jom. Jalan, jalan. Semua jalan dah. Yes. Big frogs. Abang Syed, tengok Fayad. Look, snake. Snake, snake. It's a snake. Look. That's a viper. It's very poisonous. It's venomous.
Yeah, it is venomous.
Snake. Nampak tak? You see the inside? Yeah, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Big spider. Yeah, it's a big spider. Kan? Cucuk, big spider. Oh, so big. Yeah. Okay, dah jom. Let's go. Tangan nampak tangan? Semilipin. Yeah?
Look at this one. Cute, huh?
So cute. Mana Angah? Yeah. Mana frog lagi? Where's the frog?
Look at the horn.
That's a frog.
It's a horn. It has horns.
Snake. Abang Syed, kena. Sekejap, Yusuf. Where are we? We're in Penang.
Penang.
We're in Penang.
We're at Penang.
Yeah. Ada sini. It's a water dragon. Abang jom. Oh, lizard. Look, lizard. Oh, lizard. Hello, lizard. Bye-bye, lizard. Jom, let's go. Watch out, let's go. Cucuk, fly. Ada fly. Tu ada fly. Tu butterfly. Don't touch.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this.
Yes. This is called periuk kera.
Penang.
Fly. This is a fly trap, right?
You also say your teeth.
Panas. Bahang. Yeah. Oh, manas tu. Itulah. Over there. Okay.
Oh, this kid looks solid.
Yes. Yusuf, wait, Yusuf. Yusuf, wait. Yusuf, wait.
Ma, ada pilih because you want to play now, boy. Ma,
Yeah.
ada pilih because you want to play.
Yusuf, please. Ada juga. Sabar. It's a butterfly cave. Get in?
There.
Okay.
Over there.
That end. Okay. Oh, this is Golden Sea Orc Weaver. The ones that we see, the big one over there. Yeah. Abang sini bang. Can we go here first, abang? Aboy?
Let's go here.
Let's go here first. Kita pergi situ dulu ni, kita patah balik. Boleh? Ada orang aja.
Let's go.
Ah, butterflies. Look. Yeah. Tengok butterfly lah. Lepas tu pergi makan. Yeah. Tak ada. What's that? Yeah. Wait, abai, wait. Kita pergi bridge dulu.
Let's go to the bridge.
Let's go bridge first. Yusuf, yeah. Mana? Flower. It's a flower, pandai.
Oh, look at this. Look.
Shoshan nak?
Cute. You take a video with it.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Nak. Ni butterfly, Shoshan. Abang, look, butterflies. Look. Abang, apa? Tak nampak lagi tu. Ya. Cantik tak? Okay, jom, let's go. Let's go to the end. Up. Yeah. Abang Syed sini bang.
Can I hold my clam?
Pegang.
Oh, now they're adults.
Yeah, adult flies. Come here, let's go. Okay, let's go. Abang okay?
Let's go to the butterfly room.
Okay. That's the larvae room, okay? Abang Syed, can you wait? Yusuf, wait. Wait for mama. Wait. Okay, let's go. Hold my hand.
Butterfly egg, Bob. Wow.
Aboy.
Did someone eat the plants?
Aboy mah. Abang Syahid, come. Where's Aboy? Muhammad Yusuf, come. Muhammad Yusuf, come here. Kita kat mana? Butterfly. Mana butterfly? Show Papa. Butterfly room. Where's the butterfly? Show me. Where's the butterfly? Angah, where are we? Where are we? This is for the night. Entopia by night only. This is daylight, so you can don't take. Tak boleh touch. Tak boleh push. Apa perasaan mama?
Seram.
Mana Abang Syahid? Video. Ni Alhamdulillah dia ni.
Butterfly.
Abang ambil butterfly.
Abang Syed wait Go. Kejar Yusuf It's a butterfly. Yusuf jangan buat macam tu. Baba show.
Ada yang tengah tengok.
Yeah. Jangan buat macam tu, tak boleh. Butterfly. Butterflies in the sky. Dia tahu Mama takut, dia pun tak datang.
Hey, come here. Hey, come here. You wait.
Wait for your turn, sayang. Butterfly. Nanti butterfly mati nanti. Kalau nak touch kena switch off fan. Nak touch kena switch off fan. Bagi Baba fan. Bagi Baba fan, baru boleh touch. Ha. Kalau ada fan tak boleh touch.
Wait. Wow,
Yes. Good boy abang. Nak touch bagi Baba fan. Fan give Baba.
Let's try again.
Good boy. Mama look, Mama. Mama look. Mama look. Ini kan. Look at me. Cuk.
Wow, look at me. Look at. Oh no, it flew away.
Sekejap. Ni butterfly ni. Go. Open the door. Wait for me and Mama please. Go. Ini horseshoe crab. Belangkas. This is called a horseshoe crab. Belangkas. Sini. Jejak. Ah, tu. Look. Over there. Jejak. Look up. Jejak. Tu. Tu. Ah. It's a butterfly. No fan.
Oh my god.
Careful. Don't move.
Okay.
Okay, tak apa. Lari. Yeah, it's an iguana. Yeah. It's an iguana. Okay, yeah. Tu depan.
Hey, Baba,
Leo.
look at him.
Boy, putera lilin. Quack. Dia tak boleh ingat.
Whoa, it's not even work. What?
Mandi. Tak, tu mandi lah. Tengok, dak berhenti mandi. Awak tak nak mandi. Bang.
Where are we going indoors?
We are going indoors.
Yeah.
Let's see indoor box. Yeah. Nampak tangan ni? Awak nampak muka adik? Awak nampaklah muka adik? Yeah. What's that? We are going to Pandora first. Yeah. Oh. Yes, push that one. Push this arrow. Itu apa ni, bang?
Tangan di depan tak apa.
Go full lah, bang. Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Cantiknya. Angah suka? Abang suka? Ya, okay, jom. Let's go. Lagi apa tekan pula? Push. Pandai. Wow. Okay, jom, let's go. Yeah. Basyik, come. Go inside. Mama, kita masuk sini je. It's a cocoon. Itulah tu. Ni macam movie lah. Boleh watch movie macam tu. Angah, dia cakap apa kah? Dia cakap apa tu? Pandai. Okay, let's go. We are now resting, eating popcorn in the butterfly area.
Yep.
Adik, menggelapor.
Butterfly.
You are butterflies?
Hey, look at this.
What's that?
The butterfly's eye.
Jom, take picture. Oh, besarnya caterpillar. Ni mama takut kalau macam ni. Masuk mimpi ngeri mama ni. Malu makan gerak kamu.
Oh yeah.
Abang look. It's a pupae.
Ingat tak kita buat skua Angah?
Ya.
Mana satu?
Ya.
Mana satu? Mana tak terjawab lah cerita dia. Sekejap. Go watch. Mana biskit bang? Watch.
Abang kena beli lagi stroller yang kecil yang.
Ya dah. Sabarlah Ngah. Kita jalan-jalan. Jaga. Kumbang. Cantiknya. Kat kamera highlight ni apa?
It is.
Follow mama. Yeah, it's a big millipede. Jom. Apa ni? Sini Yusuf. Sini apa ya? Bahabuk. It's dusty. Sini. What's this? It's a mealworm. Ni serangga je.
Macam ni.
What's that? Leaf mantis. It's a mantis. Praying mantis. Yeah? Mana? Abang. Yusuf yakin Yusuf? Ni mantis. Mana? Cik ni. Mana? Yusuf. Ni kak.
Apa tu?
Kita agak beradu.
Wow.
So,
Dia dah mati je.
okay, so this is day 3. Kita nak pergi mana ni?
Makan.
Makan apa kah?
Sausage.
Makan apa bang? Sausage. Boy nak pergi mana?
Sausage.
Nak pergi sausage. Ya ke sausage? Kita nak makan benda lain?
Makan babi.
Makan apa?
Ikan.
Ikan apa pula? Makan apa? Abang nak makan apa? Apa Syed? Abang Syed nak makan apa?
Makan apa tu? Sausage.
Sausage. Okey lah. Adik dah makan? Adik dah makan. It's the third day and we saw a big cruise ship dekat depan. Kan besar kan?
Yeah.
Oh, seronok tak tengok cruise ship tu?
Yes.
Nanti nak naik ke?
Nak.
Macam mana kita nak naik?
Using all the peoples.
Kena jadi good boy. Kena get number?
One.
Yes, good boy.
One.
You get number 1, kita pergi ke cruise ship tu. Boleh get number 1 first, kan?
Boleh makan.
Boleh makan. Kat sana ada makan, ada playground.
Yes.
Ah.
Ada water slide ke?
Ada water slide. Tapi kena
Dia cakap.
dengan cakap dan get number 1.
Lagi apa pasal? Takut laut.
Kena jadi good boy. Kena get number 1. Adik. Tengok apa dek?
Yelah sabar lah.
Cantiknya cruise ship
Jadi
tu kan?
good boy dulu.
Besar kan?
Dah
Besar kan?
Nak pergi dah. He has 1,000 passengers.
Yes, you are correct.
But it looks like it's real. It's new this.
Ni kita dekat waterfront ni. Orang-orang duk ambil tengok-tengok.
We have some cargo ship.
And we are now at the beach. Abang is playing frisbee. Angah and Aboy is what? Playing sand. Mama and adik is bersantai-santai. Healing. Oh, that's far away. Go take it.
Wow. Got it.
Buat baju pantai.
Mama, apa perasaan?
Ngantuk.
Ngantuk.
Kadang dia ada silau kan sampai kan.
Nak tukar sebelah sini sikit tak? Panas itu. We are now at the hotel. Ini budak. Dekat rumah tengok Masyabe. Kat Penang tengok Masyabe. Tak pergi Penang kat sini duduk rumah
Takkan nak tengok mama lah. Nak combi, anak combi, makan jarum ke. Takkan nak tengok cerita tu.
Tak ada kat studio. Ada, kita tengok dah.
YouTube ada mesti ada.
Kau santainya saya.
Lepas masing-masing melakukan hal-hal.
This is the 4th day. And we are checking out of the room. This was our toilet for a few days. Very big. This is the living room. There's Mama and adik. There's Angah. There's Abah and Aboy. So we are going home today. We are going home. Yay! So how long were we here? 4 days, right?
Yeah, I can go there.
Yeah.
To the island.
Okay.
Wait, like it was the last time we go right here, and this time we go back.
I see.
Mama, can we go to the boat?
Nanti. Next time kita pergi boat pula, okay? Okay. So, this is the 4th day. And we are going back home.
What about the ship?
Ship nantilah. Ship next time. So, want to go back home or not?
No.
Nak jumpa Atuk Wawan. Nak Tengok cats, play dengan sand kan? Yeah.
Main dah ayam.
Yes. Lepas ni kita nak pergi mana? Kita nak pergi naik bridge kan? Is it a long bridge or a short bridge?
The longest.
Longest bridge in the world?
Yeah.
In Malaysia lah, in Malaysia.
Well, what about the boats can go on the bridge?
What ya?
The boats can go on the bridge.
Mm-mm.
No.
Oh, the boats cannot go on the bridge.
Only,
Only cars and trucks. Okay?
Only cars.
Okay.
Cars can swim.
So we are going straight now.
The cars can
Going to the bridge. Mama, ada komen apa-apa?
Bahaya. The cars can't swim.
Yes.
So only boats can.
Oh, okay.
Boats can't drive.
Okay.
No, only cars drive.
Okay.
And boats. They're boats. Even boats can't.
On the Penang Bridge. Look, there's the sea. You can see the sea over there. There's an island. There's a plane. There's an island.
Get small island over there. On your left.
There's a big island on your right.
There's a small island and a treasure.
You have treasure. You have treasure.
And that island had any treasure. But this one.
Let's go left. And let's go see the Look,
See?
on your left there's a small island. Cantik tak? Do you like going on the bridge?
Nanti kita pergi, okey?
Pergi mana?
Ke water.
Kat water. Next time kita pergi water pula, okay? Cantik. And this is one of the longest bridge in Malaysia, you know?
What?
This is Penang. Penang is in Malaysia. Okay?
Which?
Mana? Abang mana? Tak nampak ke? Abang tidur dah.
Tidur.
Where sana?
Over here.
Oh, okay.
What? I saw somebody.
Cantik. Alhamdulillah. Kita sekarang we are at IKEA Penang. Yes. IKEA in Penang.
That's the most biggest shop.
Yeah.
Member pun tak pernah masuk.
And that's the Decathlon. Macam saja nak pusing-pusing je mah. Di Decathlon tu mah. Saja wash-wash air. Boleh? Boleh?
9 macam tu lah.
Boleh terus boleh. This is the Decathlon. Cantik, nampak besar.
Wow, ada tempat memang.
Bolehlah singgah kejap tengok apa ada menarik. We are going inside IKEA parking. Yeah. Parking. Yusof dapat manfaat Yusof. We are going to Decathlon.
Bowling is sport?
Bowling, yes, it's a sport. Decathlon. Kita sekarang dekat Tepeng. Abang, Angah and Aboy all asleep. Abang dengan Angah, Aboy is down there. Everybody is asleep. Adik pun asleep. Tinggal mama dengan baba je.
Bapa tak nak sleep.
Tinggal mama dengan baba je. Tak apa, kita jalan slow-slow. Ni kita keluar Taiping sebab nak cari kopi. Kopi-kopi. kita orang tak kena kopi lagi hari ni. Biung lagi. Tapi this is Taipei. Tenang je. Lagi tenang dari Rembau kau. Aduh. Mama.
Kasih Baba.
Sama sayang. Sekarang dekat Cangkat Jering. Baru lepas beli kopi. Sekarang tengah tunggu nak masuk highway.
Bukit Larut.
Mama okey? Abang dengan boy semua tidur lagi lenanya. Ya Allah. Letih seronok jalan jauh InsyaAllah nanti dari sikit kita jalan lagi. Tengok cik ni canggih. Traffic light dia ada lampu kau. Dia macam kalau langgar api kata tak nak kata ni. Oh siap ada countdown lagi. Baguslah orang Perak. Respect sama tu.
Apa Perak dia punya tagline dia?
Ada koma. Tak tahu.
Tagline bola dia. Kalau pilih hari apa?
Hogoh Perak hogoh.
Pahami dia.
Cantiknya sunset. Cantiknya sunset, subhanallah. Hobin Perak Hobin. Aduh. Manggis ni durian. Dia kena tom yum sama je macam bau tadi biasa pun.
Kejo yuk kejo.
Kejo.
Yuk.
Yo. Now kita dah masuk highway. On the way to KL. The sun is setting down. Sun is setting down. Cantik matahari. Kita pun banyak. Kereta cukup lancar. Tak ada jam, tak ada apa. InsyaAllah selamat sampai Rembau. And now going into the Menora Tunnel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Itu Menora Tunnel, terowong Menora. Masuk dah. This is the tunnel. Panjang juga terowong ni. Ada 500 meter lebih kurang.
Dia Perak panjang dia lagi sih.
Panjang dia, karat tak panjang. We are approaching the exit. Kita nak sampai keluar dah.
Smart tunnel bagi smart tunnel.
Sebab dia panjang lah. Nak sampai keluar dah. In 3, 2, 1. Habis. So now we just go out. We are getting out from Sungai Buloh rest stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going to home.
Apa? Cucu nak go home. Boleh. Mana Angah? Tak nampak Angah
sini
pun.
lah.
Ada.
So hungry.
Okey, kita cari makan, okey? Okey, nanti kita cari makan. Awak nak makan apa ni?
Nasi ayam.
Nasi ayam. Kan nak makan apa?
Tak tahu lah.
Tak tahu, tak apa. Nanti kita tengok apa yang ada, okey? Okey.
Bye.
Mama okey? Okay. Bye. Okay, we are nearing Rembau. This it's 11:54. Now we are in Jembung. Mama okay? Abah okay? Abah sleep. Angah? Angah, where are you? Kata nak buat video Angah. Cakap dekat video atas. Cakap dekat video. Kita dah nak sampai dah. Tapi kita nak pergi makan dulu, okey? Kita makan dulu, and then baru kita balik tidur, boleh?
Lepas tu kita pergi makan pop-pop.
Boleh lah. Boleh lah. Okay. Okay, Green, let's go eat. Video.
Video dekat sini.
Mana ni?